English together.
Conversation 1.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. I drink it every morning.
Where do you usually get your coffee from?
I usually make it at home. I have a coffee machine.
Nice. What other drinks do you enjoy?
I also like tea. I drink it in the evenings.
I am more of a juice person myself.
What kind of juice do you prefer?
I enjoy orange juice the most. It's refreshing.
I agree. Orange juice is delicious.
Do you have any snacks you enjoy with your drinks?
I like having cookies with my coffee or tea.
That sounds like a nice treat. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Conversation 2.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great too. What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I'm an engineer. Where do you work?
I work at the local high school. And you?
I work for a tech company downtown. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I love teaching. It's very rewarding. How about you?
I enjoy being an engineer. It's challenging and interesting.
That's great to hear.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
Likewise. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.